In the early 2010s, Microsoft faced a crisis of relevance. The smartphone revolution led by Apple and Google left Microsoft's mobile efforts floundering, and the company struggled to retain and recruit talent. Questions about becoming irrelevant loomed large. Fast forward to today, and Microsoft has undergone a dramatic transformation, reporting its fifth consecutive quarter of record revenue with $62 billion in sales. Microsoft's market capitalization has surpassed $3 trillion, making it the most valuable company in the world, even overtaking Apple. Under CEO Satya Nadella, Microsoft has become a leader in the artificial intelligence boom. The company's partnership with OpenAI, the maker of Chat, and its integration of AI into products like Bing and Microsoft Word have positioned it at the forefront of AI technology. Microsoft's journey from potential irrelevance to a tech giant leading the AI revolution is a story of strategic shifts and innovation. Once struggling to compete in the mobile phone market, Microsoft has now set its sights on AI, investing heavily in this area and reaping the rewards. This video explores Microsoft's incredible turnaround, highlighting how it embraced AI and cloud computing to redefine its role in the tech world and secure its future as a dominant force in the industry. The early 2010s marked a challenging phase for Microsoft, overshadowed by the smartphone revolution led by Apple and Google. This period raised concerns about Microsoft's relevance in the fast-paced tech world. However, the company has witnessed a phenomenal transformation since then. Under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, Microsoft has not only recovered but also soared to new heights. The company recently reported its fifth consecutive quarter of record revenue, reaching $62 billion, and its market capitalization exceeded $3 trillion, surpassing Apple as the world's most valuable company. This resurgence is primarily driven by Microsoft's strategic pivot towards artificial intelligence. Its partnership with OpenAI and the integration of AI into various products have positioned Microsoft as a leader in the AI boom. The company's journey from potential irrelevance to a dominant force in AI and technology is a testament to its ability to adapt and innovate. This video explores Microsoft's transformative journey over the past decade, highlighting how it embraced AI and cloud computing to redefine its role in the tech world, securing a future as a dominant industry player. The early 2010s were a challenging time for Microsoft, as it struggled to find its footing in the smartphone-dominated tech landscape, overshadowed by giants like Apple and Google. This era raised doubts about Microsoft's relevance in the ever-evolving world of technology. Fast forward to the present, Microsoft has undergone a remarkable transformation. Under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, the company has not only rebounded but has also emerged as a leader in the artificial intelligence sector. Recently, Microsoft reported its fifth consecutive quarter of record revenue, achieving $62 billion in sales, and its market capitalization surpassed $3 trillion, eclipsing Apple to become the most valuable company globally. This resurgence is largely attributed to Microsoft's strategic focus on artificial intelligence, particularly its partnership with OpenAI. The integration of AI into various Microsoft products has positioned the company at the forefront of the AI revolution. This video highlights Microsoft's journey from a period of uncertainty to becoming a dominant player in AI and technology, showcasing the strategic shifts and innovations that have reshaped its trajectory in the tech industry. In the early 2010s, Microsoft faced a pivotal moment as the smartphone revolution, led by Apple and Google, overshadowed its efforts in the mobile market. This period raised serious questions about Microsoft's relevance in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. However, the company has since made a remarkable turnaround. Under CEO Satya Nadella's leadership, Microsoft has achieved unprecedented growth. It recently reported its fifth consecutive quarter of record revenue, reaching $62 billion, and its market capitalization soared past $3 trillion, overtaking Apple as the world's most valuable company. This resurgence is largely driven by Microsoft's strategic investment in artificial intelligence. Its partnership with OpenAI and the integration of AI into its products have positioned Microsoft as a leader in the AI boom. The company's journey from potential irrelevance to a dominant force in AI and technology is a testament to its ability to adapt and innovate. This video explores Microsoft's transformative journey over the past decade, highlighting how it embraced AI and cloud computing to redefine its role in the tech world, securing a future as a dominant industry player. The early 2010s marked a challenging period for Microsoft, as it grappled with the rapidly evolving smartphone market dominated by Apple and Google. Concerns about becoming irrelevant were prevalent within the company. However, Microsoft's story took a dramatic turn. Under the guidance of CEO Satya Nadella, Microsoft has not only recovered but also soared to new heights. The company recently celebrated its fifth consecutive quarter of record-breaking revenue, reaching $62 billion, and its market capitalization exceeded $3 trillion, surpassing Apple to become the most valuable company globally. Microsoft's resurgence is largely attributed to its strategic pivot towards artificial intelligence, its partnership with OpenAI, and the integration of AI across its product range, including the Bing search engine and Microsoft Word, have placed it at the forefront of the AI revolution. This video chronicles Microsoft's journey from the brink of irrelevance to becoming a titan in the AI and tech industry, highlighting the strategic decisions and innovations that have reshaped its destiny. In the early 2010s, Microsoft faced a pivotal challenge. The rise of smartphones led by Apple and Google overshadowed Microsoft's efforts, sparking concerns about its future relevance. Fast forward to the present, and Microsoft has undergone a transformative evolution. Under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, Microsoft has achieved a remarkable turnaround. The company recently reported its fifth consecutive quarter of record revenue, reaching $62 billion, and surpassed a $3 trillion market capitalization, overtaking Apple as the most valuable company in the world. A key driver of this resurgence is Microsoft's strategic focus on artificial intelligence, through its partnership with OpenAI and the integration of AI into various products. Microsoft has positioned itself at the forefront of the AI revolution. This shift from potential irrelevance to a leader in AI and technology showcases Microsoft's ability to adapt and innovate in a rapidly changing tech landscape. This video highlights Microsoft's journey over the past decade, illustrating how strategic shifts and embracing AI have redefined its role in the global tech industry. A decade ago, Microsoft faced a critical juncture. With the smartphone revolution in full swing, the tech giant found itself lagging behind Apple and Google. Recruitment challenges and a talent exodus raised concerns about the company's future relevance. Today, Microsoft tells a story of remarkable resurgence. Under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, the company has not only rebounded but has also ascended to new heights. Microsoft recently reported its fifth consecutive quarter of record revenue, hitting $62 billion in sales, and its market capitalization exceeded $3 trillion, surpassing Apple to become the world's most valuable company. Central to this turnaround has been Microsoft's aggressive foray into artificial intelligence. Its strategic partnership with OpenAI and the integration of AI into its suite of products have positioned Microsoft as a pivotal player in the AI revolution. The company's focus on AI and cloud computing has redefined its role in the tech industry, securing its position as a leading force. This video explores Microsoft's journey over the past decade, highlighting the strategic decisions and innovations that propelled it from the brink of irrelevance to a titan in AI and technology.